Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Uber account. So first of all, launch up an Uber application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Uber application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the option Get Started that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign up interface. From here you'll be able to sign up for your account. You can either create your account with mobile number or you can also continue with Google or continue with email. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with email. If you also want to continue with email, what you have to do is enter your email address over here. So simply enter your email address. After doing that, tap on the next option that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here a 4-digit code will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is launch open Gmail on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Uber has sent me the email. Simply tap on the email that you received. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the verification code, memorize this code, go back to the Uber application. Now simply enter that code over here. Now you can also add your phone number if you want. This is completely optional. Right now I'm just going to skip it. Now you'll have to enter your first name and last name. So simply enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to accept Uber's terms and review privacy notice. Simply check on this box, I agree. Now tap on the next option. Now you can see over here your Uber account will be created. So that is how you create Uber account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.